If you're wanting to learn how to use the Elvie app, then this video is for you. So let's get started, and first you're going to need to download the Pump with Elvie app. When you get your pump, you will have a QR code to get your app. It's called Pump with Elvie. You can also search in your Google Play or Apple Store. So once you have downloaded your app, it will run you through how to connect your pump, but each time you are going to come to this screen and you're going to need to connect your pump. So you can either click on the bottom which had a connect a new pump. Oh, let me back. You can connect my pump. You can click on connect a new pump or simply turn your pump on and it should automatically connect if you have already done the previous collect a new pump. So you can see here this is now connected to my pump. I will press finish. Now we have the option to start pumping. If you need to go through, it will have your last pumping sessions up the top. It also has all the basics, which are some step-by-step guides and a refresh if you need it. Okay, but for this, we are going to start pumping. Now, when we press this, we will have our pump started. You may need to take your pump off pause by pressing play. Now you can, by pressing the play, you should see or hear your pump started. Now it will start in the stimulation mode. You can change this by simply selecting the little droplet side down on your bottom left, or you can press that again and it will turn you back into stimulation mode. The plus and minus next to the pause let you adjust or decrease your suction levels, and there is also the little alarm, so you can click that and set a timer. There's an arrow up the top left for going back. Now you can see on here up the very top, there is an L. This is for the left breast side. Now I only have a singular Elvie pump connected. You can connect both and then have a left and right pump. You can see underneath the L there is a battery symbol, so I'm about halfway through my battery usage. You can also, underneath the pause button, click the L or right to switch to left or right side for your pump. So this is especially great if you are only pumping with a single pump. You can change to your preferred side. Now, once you've done your pumping session, you can press finish. Yes, we want to finish. And then it will take us to the section to add in our details for our pumping session. So how many volume of milk that we have expressed. Once you have that in, you can go up or down. So let's say 60 mils. Or 65, and press save. Now when you want to find your session, you can go to your last session up the top of this screen or click the all button on the right side and it will bring you through to previous pumping sessions. Now if you have a look at the drop down menu, it has your home, your controls, insights, your account and your help. You can switch between your app screens. So I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. It's very simple, very easy to use app. One thing I will add is you only have the two modes, the stimulation and the expression. Generally, you'll run your stimulation for around 5 or 2 minutes and then switch over to your expression, but have a play around with your different modes. Some people respond better to 5 minutes on of stimulation, 5 minutes of expression, 5 minutes of the stimulation, which is your shorter suctions, followed by the 5 minutes of your longer expression suction. So have a play around. The app, it is pretty basic in terms of setting your modes and retaining previous information, but you can set timers to change over after 5 minutes. So have a play around and see what gives you your best output. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, like I say, please feel free to ask.